This process can be completed in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Hold press on the app and go to App Info, or go to Settings and Applications. Uninstall the app, the original app. Once this is done, open your browser and then navigate to infospherelab.online/download. This link is provided in the description below. Once you have access to this page, you should either create a new account or log in your account if you have one already. To create a new account, just provide a valid email address and click enter. A prompt to select the app icon will be shown. Now you should select the app icon that you deleted. Do not forget to copy your Alt ID, as this will be required. This is going to take a while, so I'll fast forward this process. Once this is done, a link is provided. Click on it and download the APK file. Once the download is done, open and install the app. Now open the app and sync with your account. And to do this, once the app is done scanning for security, you click on open. Now once the app is open, click on I already have a wallet. Now on the top side where you're supposed to provide your name, provide your email which you used in registering on the website. Now on the downside where it's asking for phrase, provide your Alt ID which was given to you after registration. Now in some cases I've seen that you have to delete the last number and then put it back to make this work properly. Now pay attention to the Wi-Fi logo at the top. It has to be green. If red, redo this step again. Now once this is done, close the app and then reopen the app again. Now it's time for the user to provide their details. And as soon as this is provided, you will receive it on the email you used during registration.